You're working hard abroad, but is your money working hard for you? Many Africans in the diaspora earn more than ever before, yet too many of us are still stuck in a financial cycle that feels like survival, not freedom. You send money home, you support family, you hustle. But here's the truth. Making money isn't the same as building wealth. The biggest threat we face is called delay. Every day you put off investing, saving, or planning for retirement, you're silently losing time. And time is your greatest asset. It's not about being rich. It's about being free. Free to choose how you live. Free to retire with dignity. Free to give your children options you never had. Here's how to start. Track your money. Know what's coming in and going out. Start investing globally and back home. Automate it. Consistency beats perfection. No amount is too small. 10,000 naira or $100, this all add up. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom look like for me? And what am I doing today to make that real? The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Let's create freedom, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel for more. Turn your hard-earned monies today into wealth tomorrow. Moloney Streetery. Build your financial future one step at a time.